One, action.
Historic New York, Syracuse area. Onondaga Indians, the keepers of the council fires. They kept the home fires burning here. For the Iroquois League that lived here, French soldiers, and the salt mercenaries came from Canada, discovered salt springs in the area. Salt works were set up in 1788. Soon, the 1860s gave way for a tax on salt. Must have been someone on the left for that one. Salt manufacturing flourished until the industry gave the name Salina to the original site of Syracuse. The Erie Canal and the Oswego Canal, connecting the Erie at Syracuse with Lake Ontario, ushered in a new era of prosperity and expansion after 1825. Railroads and highways followed. The east-west water level road that simulated industry growth, situated on the edge of the fruitful Lake Plain beside Onondaga Lake. Syracuse is near a geographical center of New York, serving the wide, varied Chinaware, alloy steel, automobiles, automobile gear, air conditioning. Yes, that's right, the air conditioner was created here. Of course, the Carrier Dome. Of course, we've never had air conditioning in the Carrier Dome, ironically. And typewriters, chemicals, and electronics. These reflected the industrial growth of America. The first New York State Fair was held in 1841 in Syracuse, where it has been an annual event since 1890. Yes, that's right. I'm in Syracuse, back from Canada, and I'm here to try a local soda called Saranac. Saranac Black Cherry Cream Soda. And that Saranac soda it's been around for 100 years just about 100 years. They've been making sodas here in upstate New York, a localized brand. And this is their Black Cherry Cream Soda. Sounds delicious, smells delicious. Brent, bam, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. It's 2 a.m. Soda to try here in Syracuse right fucking now. It's got that black cherry taste that I like with a little bit of cream. And the cream is subtle. I'm gonna give this an 8.1. Yeah.